Hey guys, Mrs. Vargas here. Uh, there's my dogs. Um, Today we're going to be doing a geometry lesson. We're going to be talking about cubes. So you're going to be able to recognize a cube. You're going to be able to name the cube and talk about all its attributes. Remember, those are characteristics. And we're also going to be talking about how it's related to a square. Coming over here, we're going to be building with toothpicks. So your eyes are going to be here on what I'm doing rather than on my beautiful face. So watch as I build a square out of toothpicks. Now we know a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Now I'm going to find my angles by finding all the places where my sides come together. And my angles will be marked and held together by the green dough. So I poke in one like this. It's probably very hard to see. And then I bring the other one in to the side. So now I have an L, that being a square corner, a right angle, which is also 90 degrees. Anyone for the NWEA? Right. So from there, so you find this is better for the camera. I put on another one on the other end of the same toothpick, and I'm going to take a third toothpick and make another square, 90 degree, right angled corner. Right. From there, I'm going to take my little green dough, and I'm going to mark the other vertices with the green dough. So that makes 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, 4 angles. And now I'm putting the 4th side on there. So let's take a look at that. So I can call this a couple things. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, which means it is a QUAD quadrilateral, which also means that it's a polygon. And since it is 2 sets of parallel lines, it's a parallelogram. And since it has square corners, it's a rectangle. But I want you to notice, since I use toothpicks, and toothpicks are all the same size, that means that I have a special rectangle with all same sides, and we know that is called a square. My square is a flat shape or a plane shape that I can build up to make a solid or 3D shape. Now, if I look at my cube, I can find out how many toothpicks that I'm going to need by counting the edges. Let me open my marker. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 edges on my cube. So do you think that I can use the 1, 2, 3, 4 edges that I already have in order to make my cube? I think I probably can. So how many toothpicks do I still need? Well, one thing that I could do to figure that out is that I can take the total number of sides 12, and I can take away the 4 that I already have out there. So let's say I want to use touch points. Subtraction is a breakdown operation, so I need to count down. I say this guy's name, which is 12, and I count down. 11, 10, 9, 8. I'm going to need 8 more toothpicks to finish this project. All right, so you guys are going to try this too. I have lost some of my toothpicks. That's okay. All right. I have 4. I'm going to build straight up. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to need some more vertices. Hold this closer for you guys. See how actually if I scoot that, you can see the tops. Alrighty. So I have my 2 vertices up there. And put side on. And of course I'm making this out of toothpicks and clay, so it is probably not going to be the most perfect cube ever made. Might not even close. But give it a shot. The very last piece. Break the whole cube. And here is my cube. Now I'm looking at this thing and I'm thinking, something is not quite right with this cube. It's like a skeleton cube. And do you know what it's missing? They're called faces. And here is a nice, solid-looking cube with a face. And when I'm talking about the face of a cube, I'm just talking about the flat part of one side. So this is the face of my cube. Now we can count to find out how many faces are on a cube. So the one that I just colored is 1. And then, camera thing, harder than you would think. Here I have 2. And I have 3. 3. Then I have 4. It's another blank one that makes 5. And 6. This here is the net for a cube. So when I look at it, I can see all 6 faces laid out at once. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's what gets folded up to make a cube like this work out. All right, so the cube, it has 6 faces, and the last thing that we're going to do today is we are going to draw cubes. So I have here a blank piece of white paper, and I am going to fold it in half twice. First way, I'm going hamburger, like a greeting card, corner to corner, corner to corner. Crease it. It does not have to be perfect by any means. And then fold it in half one more time. From here, corner to corner, corner to corner, hold it down, and crease. That gives me a total of 8 spaces, 4 on my front and 4 on my back. So each one of those is going to have a square in it when we're done with this activity. So I have my sheet, and I'm going to draw without a straight edge the best square that I can do. So there's my square. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to take a parallel line about there. I'm going to start, it's not going to be the same length. I'm starting a little ways in, and I'm going a little further out that way. So I should have this. I have a square, and then I have a line above the square. The next step is to take the corner there and to take a line down. Not all the way down. So I end up with this. Corner of another square around my square. Take a second and draw that. You can pause. All right. The next thing that I will do is I'm going to connect these. So I go corner to corner, corner to corner, and the last time corner to corner. All right. So I've now drawn a square, but I can only see 1, 2, 3 faces. What's wrong with my cube? Is it broken? Did I do it wrong? No, this is a solid cube. So some of the faces on my solid cube are hiding. So after this video ends, what you need to do is you need to finish drawing all the squares. So I want to see, how many boxes did we draw? I want to see 8 cubes. I'll go through one more with you, and then you can ask someone else for help if you need it. Or you can rewind the video and watch it again. So here we go. Going in my other top corner here. The best square I can do. That is straight edge. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides of a quadrilateral. Then I start above, draw a line parallel to it, cross, and then a line parallel to the vertical edge. That. I start in a corner, connect it to the other corner, like that. This corner to this corner, connect. And the last one goes this corner to this corner. And I have drawn 2 cubes now. Okay, total of 8. And then turn it in the green bin, please. Thanks for being such a great student and for watching this video through to the end. Good job.